Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for November 30th of 2024 is titled Winter and Summer on a Little Planet. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an extreme panoramic view. And in fact, the entirety of the horizon is shown there in the little planet in the center. And then all around is the sky. So as the image is taken here, and this is actually taken at two different times. So the images on the lower portion were taken in January, and those in the upper portion were taken in July. So we're really seeing two very distinct seasons here as this occurred here on Earth. Now the lower one, of course, we can see the winter season and the very white color of the snow and ice that made up this region of the French Alps. Now in the upper one, we can see that that's summertime. The snow has melted and we can see the jagged mountain tops there, as well as some of the lights from various cars driving up the passes, something that would be next to impossible in the winter time when it is completely snow covered. Now up in the sky, we can also see the Milky Way, and two different versions of that also is seen in the summer and the winter. And you can see the distinct star clouds associated with our Milky Way galaxy. And that is, of course, our spiral galaxy as we see it from within. So it won't look like a spiral galaxy like others that we look at, but we can very distinctly see that it has some of the same patterns with them, with the star clouds and the dust that we associate with external spiral galaxies, which allow us to learn more about our own Milky Way. So here we can see some of the more extreme seasonal changes that occur, in this case in France in the northern hemisphere. But the seasonal changes are caused because Earth's axis is tilted by about 23.5 degrees. And in the summertime, the northern hemisphere is then tilted toward the sun, causing the sun's rays to strike more directly, so giving a stronger heating effect to Earth's surface. And in addition, the sun is up for a longer period of time, that it rises early in the morning and sets late at night, spending more than 12 hours above the horizon. And those combine to give us the seasons that we see. And of course, it's just the opposite in winter. In the winter, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, and therefore the sun's rays are much more spread out. So each packet of rays having to illuminate a larger stretch of the ground, and therefore not being able to do it as efficiently. And of course, we also know that the length of the daylight is also shorter in that case. And the sun would be rising late and setting early, spending less than 12 hours in the sky. So combined, those give us our seasons. And here we get to see them in one picture on the little planet here in this panoramic view, showing us the wintry season down toward the bottom and the summer season up toward the top. And of course, our Milky Way seen in the summer and the winter from this same location. So that was our picture of the day for November 30th of 2024. It was titled Winter and Summer on a Little Planet. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Everyone's Latte is Ready. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.